Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 18-55mm lens, vertical bar, built-in Wi-Fi vertical bar, 24.1MP CMOS sensor, vertical bar, Digic 4 Plus image processor, and full HD videos. Product description: perfect for beginners. This camera bundle offers the essential tools needed to take your DSLR skills to new heights, all in one convenient package. No matter where your next adventure takes you, count on the EOS Rebel T7's impressive 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and wide ISO range of 106,400 h 12,800 to capture high-quality images, even in low-light situations. The EOS Rebel T7 camera can help mobile device users take their photography to the next level. With a large 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, fast autofocus, built-in wireless connectivity, and more, it combines fantastic features with easy operation for high-quality images you'll be proud to share. Certainly, let's have a detailed discussion about the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with an 18-55mm lens, built-in Wi-Fi, a 24.1MP CMOS sensor, Digic 4 Plus image processor, and full HD video capabilities. Camera overview: the Canon EOS Rebel T7, also known as the Canon EOS 2000D in some regions, is an entry-level DSLR camera designed for beginners and enthusiasts who are looking to step up from their smartphone or compact cameras and explore the world of digital photography with more advanced features and flexibility. Key features: 24.1MP CMOS sensor. The camera boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This sensor size provides a good balance between image quality and portability, allowing for detailed photos and improved low-light performance. Digic 4 Plus image processor. The Digic 4 Plus processor is capable of processing images quickly and efficiently, helping you capture sharp and vibrant photos. While it's not the latest Digic processor, it's still capable of delivering good image quality. 18-55mm lens. The included 18-55mm lens is a versatile kit lens that covers a decent range from wide angle to standard zoom. It's a great starting point for various types of photography, including landscapes, portraits, and everyday shooting. Built-in Wi-Fi. The built-in Wi-Fi feature allows you to wirelessly transfer photos to your smartphone or tablet for easy sharing on social media, or for remote shooting using a compatible app. This is a handy feature for modern photographers. Full HD video. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 can record full HD 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. While it doesn't offer 4K video, full HD is still sufficient for most users, especially those who primarily focus on photography. Pros: user-friendly. The Canon Rebel series is known for its user-friendly interface and easy-to-understand controls, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Interchangeable lenses. This camera is compatible with a wide range of Canon EF and EFS lenses, allowing you to expand your creative possibilities as you grow in your photography journey. Affordable entry point. It provides an affordable entry point into the world of DSLR photography without sacrificing image quality. Decent image quality. The combination of the 24.1MP sensor and Digic 4 Plus processor produces good image quality, especially in well-lit conditions. Cons: limited advanced features. As an entry-level camera, it lacks some advanced features and customization options found in higher-end DSLRs. Not ideal for professional use. While it's a great camera for beginners and enthusiasts, it may not meet the demands of professional photographers who require more advanced features and higher image quality. Limited video capabilities. Video enthusiasts may find the lack of 4K recording and advanced video features limiting. Who is it for? The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is ideal for beginners. It's a fantastic choice for those who are new to DSLR photography and want to learn the basics while capturing high-quality photos. Enthusiasts. If you're an amateur photographer looking to upgrade from a point-and-shoot or smartphone, this camera offers room for growth in your photography skills. Budget-conscious shutterbugs. It's an affordable DSLR camera that provides good value for the price. Conclusion: the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a solid entry-level DSLR camera that offers a balance between affordability and functionality. It's a great choice for beginners and enthusiasts looking to take their photography to the next level, with the added bonus of built-in Wi-Fi for easy sharing and remote shooting. However, if you're a professional or require advanced video capabilities, you may want to explore higher-end Canon models or other camera brands that offer more advanced features.